Hello, in this example we will create a generator object that will print the multiples of 5 between the range of 1 to 5, and also we will compare what is the difference between generator expression and list comprehension. So this is generator comprehension. The only difference is this tuple. This is a tuple and this is a list. So here what we are doing is the multiplying 5 into each I, and I, that is I in the range of 1 to 6, and 6 is excluded, so 1 to 5, right? And then we are multiplying it with 5 and storing that expression here. So for n in generator expression and printing the value of each of the elements of this generator expression, and the list comprehension is the same, but the only difference is this: instead of tuple we are using list, and the output is identical. I have already run it, so we can see. And if we say 11 here and 11 here, so it will generate table of 5, right? So this is the difference between list comprehension and generator expression. You can say generator comprehension as well, and the only difference is this use of bracket. Here we are using parentheses, here we are using list comprehension. Thank you.